Good morning, student. Today I will teach you about capacitance and capacitor. Capacitance. What is capacitance? Student, you are going to charge any conductor. This conductor is going to charge. Then it can be charged by a fixed amount. After that amount, charges will discharged through the air, because when electric field extends 3 into 10 power 6 volt per meter, then charge will discharge through the air. So what is capacity of this conductor? Remember it, while you are going to charge anybody, its potential increases. Means amount of charge given to a body is proportional to potential. Simply, when you say that our battery is discharged, what does it mean? Its voltage decreases, and then you charge it because its volt increases. It means the charge given to conductor is proportional to potential. Or Q equals CV, where C is constant for a conductor, where C is constant for a conductor, and it is called capacitance. So capacitance equal Q by V. It can be defined at first its unit, Coulomb per volt. It is called Farad. Now its dimension of capacitance, Q equal IT Coulomb, AT potential W by Q, AT into ATQ upon W ml to T minus 2, and M L 2 L minus 2 M minus 1 L minus 2 T4 A2 is the dimension of capacitance. Dimension of capacitance is M minus 1 L minus 2 T4 A2. Now student, we are going to define capacitance. If V equal 1 volt, then C equal Q. Amount of charge given to a conductor to increase its potential by 1 volt is equal to capacitance of conductor. In other words, you can also say that ratio of charge given to the conductor and increase in potential is called capacitance of conductor. Ratio of charge given to the conductor and increase in potential is equal to the capacitance of conductor. Now in Hindi, बच्चों जब हम किसी कंडक्टर को चार्ज करते हैं तो क्या बढ़ता है, उसका पोटेंशियल बढ़ता है. जैसे हम कहते हैं कि हमारी बैटरी डिस्चार्ज हो गई, तो इसका मतलब हुआ कि वो उसका पोटेंशियल घट गया. अब उसके पोटेंशियल को बढ़ाने के लिए हम उसको चार्ज करते हैं. सीधी सी बात है, चार्ज जब देंगे तो पोटेंशियल बढ़ेगा. मीन्स Q इज प्रोपोर्शनल टू V. जब इसको इक्वेट करेंगे तो Q इक्वल CV, वेयर C इज कांस्टेंट फॉर गिवन कंडक्टर एंड इट इज कॉल्ड कैपेसिटेंस ऑफ द कंडक्टर. C इक्वल Q बाई V फ्रॉम हियर. यहां से अगर इसकी यूनिट निकालें तो कूलाम पर वोल्ट, इसको फैरड कहते हैं. इसकी डायमेंशन अगर हम लोग निकालें, देखिए कूलाम Q इक्वल IT होता है, I के लिए A फिर T, और वोल्ट V इक्वल W बाई Q होता है. ये हमने लिख दिया. Q को ऊपर ले जाए तो फिर AT हो जाएगा, ये मिला. और वर्क की डायमेंशन mL/T-2. इसको सॉल्व करने पे ये चीज मिल रही है हमको. यहाँ अगर हम कैपेसिटेंस को डिफाइन करना चाहें तो अगर V 1 वोल्ट कर दिया जाए तो C Q के बराबर हो जाएगा. Amount of charge given to a conductor to increase its potential by 1 volt is equal to the capacitance of conductor. अब बच्चों जरा एक चीज हम लोग देख लें जो एनसीईआरटी बुक में आपके नहीं दिया है. पोटेंशियल, ये कैपेसिटेंस ऑफ स्फेरिकल कंडक्टर. नाउ कैपेसिटेंस ऑफ स्फेरिकल कंडक्टर. देखो, कैपेसिटेंस ऑफ स्फेरिकल कंडक्टर. Here is a spherical conductor. It is a charge Q is given to this conductor. That's why its potential increases by V volt. Let there is a spherical conductor of radius A. It is charged by Q coulomb. So potential V equal 1/4 pi epsilon naught Q by A. From where it is found You know, E equal sigma upon epsilon naught E into D, here A equal V equal sigma Q by A epsilon naught into D. A 4 pi A square, here D is A, Q upon 4 pi A square epsilon naught into A, that is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q by A. This is potential due to this charge at the surface of this charged conductor. Now C equal Q by V or C equal Q upon 4 pi epsilon naught A. Q is cancelled and it goes towards upward direction. C equal 4 pi epsilon naught A. Now there is a very interesting question. If radius of Earth is 6.4 into 10 power 6 meter, calculate its capacitance. Assuming it as a spherical conductor. Now applying this formula, C equal 4 pi epsilon naught A. 4 pi epsilon naught. You know, 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught equal 9 into 10 power 9. Or 4 pi epsilon naught equal 1 upon 9 into 10 power 9. Substituting the value of 4 pi epsilon naught and A, 1 upon 9 into 10 power 9 multiplied by 6.4 into 10 power 6. That is 6.4 into 10 power 6 minus 9 upon 9. 9 7 are 63. 9 ones are 9, 9 ones are 9, multiplied by 10 power minus 3 farad. It can be also written 711 into 10 power minus 6 farad. That is 711 microfarad. Farad is a large unit of capacitance. Its small units are microfarad, microfarad, that is picofarad. You know, 1 microfarad equal 10 power minus 6 farad. 1 microfarad equal 10 power minus 12 farad, or 1 picofarad equal 10 power minus 12 farad. So it will be capacitance of Earth. If it is assumed as a sphere of radius 6.4 into 10 power 6 meter. After this, we will study about capacitor and dielectrics. For a day, thank you, have a nice day.